Winter brings its beauty with serene, snowy landscapes and the quiet calm of falling snow. However, it also brings the challenge of snow removal. If you're looking for an efficient and eco-friendly way to clear your driveway or sidewalks, an electric snowblower might be the perfect solution. Unlike traditional gas-powered models, electric snowblowers are quieter, require less maintenance, and produce zero emissions, making them a great choice for environmentally conscious homeowners. They are also lightweight and easy to maneuver, which means you can clear snow quickly and with less effort. Whether you're dealing with a light dusting or a heavy snowfall, an electric snowblower can help you keep your property safe and accessible all winter long. Let's explore the benefits and features of these innovative machines. Electric snowblowers come in two types, single-stage and two-stage. Let's break down how they work. A single-stage electric snowblower is a fantastic tool for managing winter weather. It uses a powerful auger to scoop up the snow and throw it out through a chute, clearing your driveway or walkway efficiently. This design makes it incredibly lightweight and easy to maneuver, which is perfect for handling light to moderate snowfalls. Unlike heavier gas-powered models, electric snowblowers are quieter and require less maintenance. They are ideal for urban and suburban settings where snowfall is not too heavy. Additionally, they are environmentally friendly, producing no emissions. With a single-stage electric snowblower, you can quickly clear snow without the hassle of dealing with fuel or oil, making your winter chores much simpler and more convenient. Two-stage models have an auger and an impeller. The auger gathers the snow, breaking it up into manageable pieces, and the impeller pushes it out with more force, throwing it a considerable distance away. This dual mechanism allows them to handle slightly heavier snow, making them ideal for regions that experience frequent and substantial snowfall. Despite their powerful performance, these snowblowers are designed to be user-friendly, with intuitive controls and ergonomic handles that reduce strain during operation. Additionally, many two-stage electric snowblowers come equipped with features like adjustable chute direction and speed settings, allowing users to customize their snow clearing experience. Whether you're dealing with a light dusting or a heavy snowstorm, these machines offer a reliable and efficient solution to keep your driveways and walkways clear and safe. One of the biggest advantages of electric snowblowers is their quiet operation. You can clear your paths without waking up the whole neighborhood. And since they run on electricity, they produce no emissions, making them a more environmentally friendly choice compared to gas models. Plus, they require less maintenance. No need to worry about gas, oil changes, or spark plugs. Just plug in and go. While they're generally less powerful than gas-powered machines, electric snowblowers are ideal for light snow removal in residential areas. If you're looking for a compact, efficient option, this could be it. Embrace winter with the right tools. An electric snowblower offers convenience, efficiency, and peace of mind. Stay warm and safe this season. Want to learn more? Check out the links below for reviews and tips on choosing the right electric snowblower for you.